How to find the sweet spot when choosing a product. While Amazon FBA handles a lot of the more technical and fiddly aspects of reselling for you, those being storage and delivery, you are ultimately responsible for the most important decisions, the ones that will ultimately dictate whether your business thrives or sinks. And the most important of these, choosing your product. So how do you go about picking a product that you want to sell? Let's see how to find that sweet spot. Pricing and profit. The first thing to consider is the pricing and profit. How much you can sell this product for realistically while remaining competitive, and how much profit you would make from that. Be sure to do your research to see what the competition is doing. And make sure that you think about the fees that Amazon will add. You can use the free FBA calculator for Amazon to work this out. And there are many common strategies for working out pricing. Keystone pricing, for instance, or the 1 to 5 method. The need. If you're going to sell something on Amazon and have it be successful, then you should identify a need. What are people looking for? What will they need in the long term? This can mean responding to an emotional need, buying luxury items that make people feel comfortable, entertained, or successful. Or it can mean responding to a physical need, such as eating or transport. The mistake is to look for trends that are successful right now, but which might disappear anytime soon. Instead, look for products that have a useful utility and that you can see are selling well already. The niche. Finally, think about the niche industry. Are you selling fitness products, dating products, clothing, technology? This is important because it's going to be up to you to try and promote those products. And this is where your own knowledge and love for the subject can be a huge asset. Don't try and sell things that you have zero interest in. The result will be that you struggle to pick the right items, or that you don't know how to sell them to other people. Look for something that you would want to buy, or that you have bought and that you love. Now use this genuine excitement to build buzz and hype for that item and to sell it to others. Oh, and make sure that the product is good.